Pelican Plumbing is a family-owned plumbing services company in Orange County. Perfect solution for all plumbing service since establishing in 2010. Pelican Plumbing specializes in repiping and shower installation in Orange County, CA. With over 10 years of experience, Pelican Plumbing is the right choice for all your plumbing needs. Need a tankless water heater? Call Pelican Plumbing for a free quote. Water softener and filtration systems for the entire house. Call Pelican Plumbing for a free consultation. Find out more at pelicanplumbing.com.